Hi, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the trade plan for today. So this is the trade plan for today. What I will be planning for Nifty and Bank Nifty for today, which is 22nd of February 2023. So if you want to know my trade plan, stay tuned here. So let's get started. So the support and resistance is going to remain the same, which was there for yesterday. But one thing you need to understand here is this is where we have the 20 simple moving average at 17,850. So if we are actually going, we are starting below yesterday's low and we hold below that, then the possibility is very high. We can actually go down, and this down can actually be quite significant. It can go towards 17,700 or even probably 600 is also possible. Now, since tomorrow is expiry, they may do something else also. So you have to be very, very careful because we have just 2 days left for the expiry right now. So since there is 2 days left for the expiry, if by any chance they hold this particular level, then above 850, the possibility is very high that it may actually move up. For the time being, ignore this because I will not have these numbers until the open is going to come. So ignore these numbers for the time being because these are the Gann numbers and that we will see only after the open is done. See, it may remain in the same range. If you see yesterday, it has remained in the same range. It can still remain in the same range, but for any reason, they're able to push it beyond that, then actually there will be a bigger upside because there are a lot of people who are here, who have sold here, are actually going to get trapped. So let's see how the market is going to behave at this point of time. There are two things you need to see. One is Bank Nifty needs to support. Second, Reliance needs to support. If these two happen, then there is a possibility that the market can hold. Otherwise, market is clearly sell on rise because remember I told you very clearly this is where we had the breakout and it has proven that it is a false breakout. So there is a possibility it will retest this also, but will it happen? Will it not happen? We don't know. But overall, this is a false breakout, and since it's a false breakout, we are in sell on rise. So there could be stock specific opportunities here and there, but overall market is somehow not looking that great. So be very careful right now, but tomorrow is an expiry. From that perspective also you need to be very careful. Now let us also look at what are the intraday timings. See, intraday timings, what I am getting is only for Nifty, only one time I am getting between 12:45 to 1 p.m. So in that case, if for whatever reason market is down and it is sideways, in that case, until we grow beyond 17,800, there's absolutely no buy because below 17,800 it is actually sell only. So if it has to get any strength, it has to be above this, and if it happens, then only we can look at anything. But still it is we need to look at the Gann numbers, and whatever it says we can actually look at that. If we need to stay above the open price, and then probably there is some upside which is possible, and it will be more from the short covering to trap the people. That is what actually it is possible. So we have only one number here, and let us actually look at Bank Nifty. Let's go ahead and look at what is happening with the Bank Nifty part. Bank Nifty also, we have the same set of numbers: 40,500, 40,700. This is going to be our supports. 40,900 and 41,100. This is our resistance. If you see, we exactly went to 40,548 or something. It was the high we made, and 40,560 or something was the low we made. So if you look at this, we have actually okay, 508 was the low, 5946 was the high. So if you see, it was quite exactly there. Now the most important thing is we need to hold this particular level. This low needs to be held. If we start below this, it is negative only, and until it when it actually, if this actually opens up, then probably we have all the possibility that we can go towards 40,000 levels also. So be very careful, especially at this place, because Bank Nifty is the weaker one, and only if this gets some strength, then there is some possibility that we may see some up move. Otherwise market is down only for today. So negative below 40,500, that I have clearly marked. If at all any strength will come, it is only above 41,000, sorry, 40,700. Okay, it has to hold this, then only some up move can be possible. And if it is not doing, then probably it is likely to be on the negative side, because we are in a highly oversold situation for Bank Nifty. You have to be careful. But yesterday some amount of bounce back has come. Now they can still actually sell this also. So here we are getting two timings. One is between 115 to 130, and second timing we are getting at 230 to 245. So we need to see what will happen, because both the things have actually given these timings, which is almost midway of the market. So the possibility is, if the morning, if we are actually having sell side, then in the afternoon we may have a buy side. The possibility is there, or it can also do something exactly like what it did on yesterday also. So be careful, because since expiry is there, movement can also be less. But if we are on the negative side, possibility is more likely on the negative side only. So we need at least Reliance to hold up and Bank Nifty to hold up, then we may actually hold the market for some time. So we need to see how it happens. Suppose if we hold the market, then in the second half there will be a good amount of selling which can come in. So market can go either way. Overall, right now, US market, the global markets are actually not giving us any kind of a positive sign. Now let's come to the VIX also. Let us look at the timing for the VIX. So in case of VIX also, we are getting two timings. And the first time we are getting is 1 to 115 and 245 to 3. So if I look at this, this is very similar to what actually Bank Nifty has come. Only thing is, there it is 230 to 245, here it is coming to 245 to 3 p.m. So what could happen here is the same thing. So if the whole day actually market is down, probably in the last half an hour there could be some actually fireworks which can happen. So that is something which is possible here. Otherwise, overall, the trend currently is on the negative side. So be very careful. There could be some stock specific opportunities here and there, but overall market is not looking that great. If you look at the US market, European market, everything has actually cracked down, which is not good. So this is the US market. If you see here, it has actually started trading below important support line. And by any chance it can take the support and we get some bounce back because of the US market, then things are possible. Because many times what happens, this can act something very similar to the 20 SMA. But if it is actually continuing with that, then actually market has gone down. So this is actually S&P, which is clearly down. So most of the things are actually not looking that great. Even this is Dow Jones. Dow Jones is also clearly down. You can see most of them have actually clearly gone down quite crazily yesterday. And this is the European market. Now the European market has just taken some support. Now, if this also breaks, then there is a bigger downside. So tomorrow is actually important date for us from Gann also. And we need to see, there could be some good amount of momentum which is possible tomorrow on one side. But today, it all depends where the market wants to go. If it is below 17,800, it is negative. If it is below 40,500, it is negative. So currently, if you look, Nifty is still having VIX, RSI is still above 40. So it may have some strength compared to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is actually below the 40 RSI. So Bank Nifty needs to give some support. If it gives, then only we can actually hold the market. Otherwise, market is clearly on the sell side of the side. So this is my personal opinion, guys. I hope this helps you. If this is helping you, go ahead, like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and comment below what exactly you want to see here. What more actually details are you expecting from these videos, so that I will be making videos exactly as per that. Thank you very much. Have a great and prosperous day. Bye-bye. See you.